nervous system. So neuron. Neurons can be classified into how many? 5 types. First one, according to their morphological and functional. What is the structure and function of the neurons? Structure and function. Most of these neurons can be classified there morphologically, but some functional character are also there, including to classification of these neurons into five different types according to their structure and function. Structure and function. Okay, first one is apolar neuron. Very important. This neurons, in these 5 neurons, one neuron comes in NEET level examination. Apolar neuron. Second one is what is that? Apolar neuron. Bipolar neuron. Apolar neuron. Okay. Pseudo polar neuron. Sorry. Last fourth one. Third one is unipolar. Fourth one is unipolar. Fifth one is multipolar neuron. Listen carefully. Apolar neuron. Listen carefully. A means absent. Apolar neuron, nothing but these are absence of process. These are completely absence of process, but these are containing more number of the dendrites. These are absence of axon, long process, nothing but these are absence of the axon containing more number of the dendrites. The absence of long process, absence of the long process contains, which one contains? Apolar neuron contains more. What is the more dendrites? More number of the dendrites. Yes, let's see these apolar neurons look like this one. Only axon is present. There is no, what is that? There is no process. Nothing but, sorry, there is no, only cyton is present. There is no axon. Only cyton is present. There is no axon, but this cyton arising of more number of the dendrites, arising of the more branched dendrites. So branched dendrites. So this type of neurons are present in eye. What is that? Cornea, eye region. Clear. Next one. The second one is unipolar, but we will discuss in later. A bipolar neuron. What is a bipolar? Bi means two, polar means two process. So the axon is arising. Arising means the axons are formed a large two processes, or large two axons. That is called as a bipolar. The neuron is formed. Sorry. The cyton is formed two large processes. So these two large processes, the anterior process have dendrites, only dendrites. The posterior process consistent of axonodendrites. The anterior region of the process, large process containing dendrites. The posterior region of the axon containing the telodendrites. The containing dendrites and what are they? And axons. Terminal axon. Let's see the diagram. Yes, these are known as the terminal axon, or containing the synaptic node. Terminal axon. The more number of the branched dendrites. The large axon nucleus. So this type of neurons are called as a bipolar. Example, these are present in central nervous system, CNS, central nervous system. The third one is a pseudopolar neuron, very very important. Pseudo means false, bi means true, pseudo means false. False polar neuron. False means the nucleus is slightly arranging into the outside of the cyton region. The nucleus arranging just slightly arranging into the outside of the cyton. The nucleus is arranging just outside of the cyton region. Pseudo means false polar. So this one, it is look like a T-shaped structure. So this type of neurons are called as a pseudo neurons, pseudopolar neurons. What I am saying? Pseudo neurons are nothing but the two axons are formed arising from the cyton region, arising from the cyton. But the cyton, after the arrangement of these two process, the axons will comes outside of the axon. So this type of the polars are called as a pseudopolar neuron. Example, PNS and CNS, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. And unipolar neuron. What is the uni means single, polar means only one axis, only one axon. Only one axon, but this axon is formed. Very very important. The axon is arising more number of the dendrites. The axon is arising more number of the dendrites. So dendrites. What is that? Axon, terminal axon, cyton, nucleus and cyton. So this is called a unipolar neuron. Example, the unipolar neuron located in the retina of eye. Retina in eye. Are you clear? So what is the apolar neuron? A means absence of process. These are known as apolar neurons. The next one, unipolar neuron is consistent of only one process containing the axon formation of the more number of the dendrite. That is called as a unipolar neuron. Bipolar neuron is the formation of two polars. Okay, clear. The pseudopolar neuron, it is look like a bipolar neuron. Pseudopolar neuron look like a bipolar neuron. But one exception, what is that? That by pseudopolar neuron, the nucleus is arising into, the cyton is arising into outside. Nucleus is arising into the outside. That is called as a next one. Last one is multipolar neuron. So already we are discussing neuron, that is called multipolar neuron. But the multipolar neuron can be classified into three types. Are you clear? This one. Next we are move forward. What is that? Multipolar neuron. These nerves, neurons are very important. Yes. Now, multipolar neuron. Fifth one is multipolar neuron. So these multipolar neurons can be classified into three types according to their function, not structure. So the neurons can be classified into 5 types according to their structure and function, but these can be classified into 3 types according to their functions. Very important. Multipolar neurons can be classified into 3 types. First one is sensory neurons. Sensory neurons are sensory nerves or neurons. Second one is motor neurons. Motor neurons. Third one is internancial neurons. Internancial neuron.